shut the door. It's a little quiet.
Woo. How's it going?
What's up, man? What's your name and full intro?
All right, so my name is Brandon Otis with Good Vibrations Audio. My brother Corey with Otis Designs built the subs. Unfortunately, these subs don't like keeping dust caps on, but we have a 2000 Blazer. Initially, it used to be Robert from 772 Customs. He did the cage. Used to be 4th order for 615s. Now it's a 6th order for 415s. I wanted to play the lows. So it's 4 Sundown Team Neo 15s on 2 Sound Digital 12Ks, wired lower than I'm supposed to. Wired at half, but oh well.
Okay.
CMAX 60 amp hour battery is what I have for electrical. 2 370s under the hood, charging at about 15.5, 15.6. Then I have a stock alternator to charge the truck side of things so that it's all separate. Some McLarens in the doors. 3 6.5s, 1 8, 2 tweeters per door on it's an old MTX Thunder amp. I don't even know the model number of it, but just some random 4-channel that I had laying around. Plexi loading wall.
I like it, dude. That thing is thick too.
Thanks, man.
It looks really good. You did a good job, man.
Thanks, man. What else? My AC works really good in here.
Yep.
I got a backup camera that's on all the time.
I saw that. Yep.
That's really nice for
solid
driving.
bracing too.
Yeah, got a windshield bracing here.
What did you say it was tuned to?
The low side is 25, high side is 50.
50. Okay,
so,
got it. Half an octave between the two. Awesome.
Exactly. Series Tune 6. Thanks for always making videos, man.
No problem, man.
We sit there late at night watching your videos
I appreciate
all the time,
it.
dude.
Yes, sir. Thanks, man. No problem. Yeah, they like it. They'll like your build.
Thanks,
Can I see your alternator?
Yeah, of course.
It's loud. Thanks, man. Nice to meet you too.
Thank you, Jake.
Yes, sir.
Hole vent on these, so it builds up a ton of pressure behind the cap and it just knocks them off.
What are they rated at?
5K.
Wow. Okay. That's how it's taking the power.
Ain't gonna hurt you. This one will hurt you, but Corey's lit on fire. Yes, you can hear this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was really windy. Yeah, man. How you doing? Really? Wow, look at that. That's solid. I passed him. It's solid. I was like, what? I know that guy. I know you're looking at the rear, right? So I'm taking the rear right now. Oh, you give me a port demo.
It's the best demo.
Yeah. That's nice voltage.
Let's see.
So is this yours?
No, it's Brandon Otis.
Okay.
For Good Vibration Audio.
What happened to that subwoofer?
The dust cap flew off yesterday.
Oh no. Musical, you smell them a little bit. Woo. Thank you. That was good. Good experience.
Yeah, I sold the rodeo dude and I bought a Nissan Xterra. Here's the truck.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.